Hi friends, welcome to Happy Artsy Kids. Today we are going to draw a duck. Are you ready? Let's start. First we can start by drawing a number 2, like this. Like that. Oops, sorry about the paint. Let's continue, and then line going down like that and stop for the wing. And let's draw 2 lines here. 1, 2. Great. Now let's continue. Let's draw the beak. Just a curved line here going down. A line like that. And close it. Close it like that. Let's add the dot here. And let's draw this part. Just a line like that. And go down and stop. Great. Now let's draw the eye here. It's oval. And there you go. Now let's draw a straight line here for the body, the tail. Just like that. Great. And then continue going down like that. A little bit curvy, but not that curved. And like that. Great. Now let's draw the ripple. Just a line like that. A bit curved in the end. And then curved line here. And stop. Another one here. And stop. And then another one here. And another one here. And down here. All right, there you go. Now let's draw the horizon line. Line and stop. Line and stop. And then now I'm going to draw water plants. Just a zigzag line like that. Going up. Going down. Looks like a triangle. Going up. Going down. And then now let's draw a rectangle here. Line going down. Another one here. And down. Awesome. Now let's draw another one here. Going up. And then going down. Going up and going down. Rectangle. A line going down like that. Great. I'm going to add this line here. The neck of the duck like that. Great, we're almost done. I'm just going to add 2 clouds here and here. Just a straight line and then curved line. Curved line, curved line, curved line. And a small one here, like that. Make it longer. Here, curved line, curved line, curved line, curved line. There you go. You have your duck now. Let's color. this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.